on rule number 24. Woo! Hey, cell phone. Of course. You don't have to ask. I am so happy to teach you anything and everything that I know, because knowledge is important when we share it with people. It's fun to share. So, I am going to teach you a new sound. Well, not a new sound. You know the sound, but this is how to spell it. Or. Or. We can have this or that. We can put an N in front of it and say nOR. But the sound is OR. And most of the words that we're going to be learning, this comes in the middle or the end. There's a few words where it starts in the beginning, like OR, and there's another type of OR, it's a mineral, you just get an E, and there's a whale called an orca. So, and also I want to tell you this, if you put this on an end of a word, like act, it makes it an actor. So this word, we're going to be learning it a different way. It's the R controlled vowels again, but I just want to let you know if you see this on the end of a noun, it means someone is doing something, okay? So, speaking of this OR, my daughter often tells me that I've been born differently. My brain is different. I'm not normal. Yeah, she knows more than I do. And I'm kind of a dork because I still wear a banana clip in my hair and I love it. So, I'm 40. We're going to go with that age, okay? We're going to go with that age. Who cares if I'm not normal? Who cares if I don't follow the norm? Who cares if I want to eat a gummy worm? We've got the OR sound that's in the middle. And it's very, very easy. OR. You open your mouth like a big O. Sometimes I get scared of storms. Thunderstorms, snowstorms. I don't always like them. Sometimes I might act kind of corny. Maybe I'm a cornball. But you know what? I don't care because I am my own normal. So kids, I want you to embrace your dorkness. I want you to embrace your corniness. I want you to be who you are. You can be silly and smart, crazy or not so crazy, or you can be all of the above. You're perfect the way you are. Or. In the middle of the word, keep it in the middle of your brain. You have a good night. Bye-bye.